Hello everyone, my name is Milk. So today I'm going to share how to set up the character, pose and animation using Iclone. Last video I tried to share to you guys how to set up, but it seems like somehow it's a little bit difficult to share the female version because yeah, there are some issues. Anyway, I tried to share the again with the male body. So you can see it here, the blender. So it's from the Iclone. So I tried to export, the working cycle from Iclone. But you can see this is a cyclos rendering from the blender. But you can see this is just default, right? But it's very difficult and very high quality character in terms of the quality and the shape, anatomy. Is everything is great. So personally, I try to use this character for the creating very attractive garment from Clo3D, because I used Clo3D, but Clo3D have a nice the avatar. But if I try to more creative and if I try improve the more quality of the character, sometimes it's very difficult to to reach the quality. So I just try to find out which way is most better way to create more hyper realistic character. So this is why a little bit I spent a little bit time to find out the way. So finally I just found way using Iclone 8, but still I'm using the trial version. But as I mentioned the last video, if you have the full subscription, then you will have more the feature. So I'm still using trial version, but once finish the trial version, then I will use full the license for the Iclone, because this is amazing. Okay, so today I just shared how to create from Iclone. So if you go to the if you just if you can you can just download Iclone 8, then you can use trial version. Okay. So first time you can go to character, then you can see the CC4. This is a little bit updated version from CC3 from my understanding. So just click the male character, is Kevin. It's very easy, just click. Okay. Okay, so now you have the Kevin here. Then you can go to top node. Then you need some shoes. So you can go to shoes. Sorry. Go to item. And then you can choose whatever you want. So okay, canvas shoes. Okay, now you have the shoes. Okay, then you need hair. So you can go to hair, then you can go to hairstyle. So you can choose whatever is good share, but so if you go to the pack, then you can choose more better shape of the hair. So maybe short. Okay, so now you have the hair. Okay, then from now select the body, cabin, then you need the pose. But you can add the animation, motion directly, but in terms of the Clo3D for creating garment, you need a pose. Okay. Also, for the Blender, it's the same. So you can go to the item, then you can go to character animation. Then you can find out the pose. So male pose. In the male pose, you can see the calibration. So you can see the A pose, open A pose, and open A UE4. This is for Unreal 4. So you can choose the A pose. Okay, now you have the A pose. Okay, so from now, this is my way. So if you go to here, you can see the motion. So this guy is the A pose. Okay, so go to 10 frame. Okay, so Control C and go to 10 frame, Control V. So you have A pose from 0 to 10. Look at this. Okay, from 10 frame, you can add motion. Go to motion and go to package. Sorry, you can go to male pose and then package. Go to animation. You can see motion. Go to animation. So you can find out many the motion here. Okay, so maybe animation, motion. So man, only man, divider, the move. So for example, if you need the work cycle, then maybe relaxed version, or but I prefer this one. Relax to roof. So from here, you can just double click. Then you can see from here, this guy had working cycle. Okay, start from 10 frame. But problem is from 9 frame to 10 frame, just 1 frame transition. This is not good for the Clo3D simulation. So go to 20 frame around here. Then you click this. Then from here you can make the blend. Okay, you can see this yellow, you can drag. So my recommendation is around 20 frame. So if you have the more layer, the clothes, garment in Clo3D, I think if you have something like a 10 frame transition is much better for simulation. Okay, so it's easy, but if you guys want to more add motion, then you can add motion from here. Okay, so it's up to you guys, but this is just test. And from here, just play. But somehow you can see this, the arms. It's very, like, so, very close in the chest. Okay, there are some intersection areas. So, for example, in the garment, sometimes it's very difficult to simulation under here. So I recommend go to the add the research target. Okay, first modifier. Okay. Mm, okay, modifier here. Research here. Okay. Mm, okay. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Edit motion layer. Sorry. Edit motion layer. Click here. Then you can a little bit push back. Just a little bit. So play. So you will have a little bit more space. Okay. Sorry, I mean still I'm running this icon, so sometimes um, it's very difficult to find out the menu. But anyway, my point is you need some space between the arm and then chest. So that means um, the simulation for the Clo3D you can make more better simulation. Okay. Then you have to export this guy to uh, Blender and also Clo3D. Okay. And then select character, then you can go to file and export and FBX export. Okay. Then you have 19 days 10 export remind for this trial version. Okay. Then here the blender, you can select I'm using the blender for rendering, but you can choose Maya or 3D Max, Unity, Unreal Engine, or motion builder. And then 60 FPS. And then you can select the range. Don't select current frame or all. Okay. Okay. Let me check the frame. So last frame is cabin motion. Okay. Last frame is 3020. Okay. So file, export, FX. Okay. And go select range and 0 to 320. And then I recommend 4K rendering, but it's up to your machine. But my recommendation is 4K. And then you have to whatever you can select the Taga, TGA or JPG or bump or PNG or TIFF, but I recommend PNG because the hair and then eyebrow they need some alpha map, so you have to change the PNG is more better and export. Then you can go to the file, the mail, and then paste mail version 1 and save. So it's going to export the effects. But if you have the more motion frame, it take a while. So, but it's up to you guys if you want to add more, the motion, while you can make many different motion file for the Clo3D. Because if you add one file with many different motion, that means data size is very heavy. So my recommendation is you have to export each single of the motion with the FX. You can much better manage, the simulation or rendering. Okay, so exporting right now. So I'll just open Clo3D and Blender. So you don't save. Okay, so let's see. Okay, still almost. Okay. Then go to Blender and then let's check the FX and mail. So this one, the base work mail version 1. Okay. So for now, just import. Okay, so create a cube, just okay, this is a Blender, but you can click the play button. So this guy is the working right now. Okay, but let's take a look how the quality is. So go to the render property. You can change the cyclos because the cyclos is best rendering from the Blender. So click render. You can see very high quality the character Kevin. It's nice. So I'm happy. I'm using the. I will keep use this way anyway. So then you just keep the Blender file in FX because once you make nice garment in Clo3D, after simulation you have to export garment simulation data into the here. So everything same frame, same animation, so should be there, no issue. Then go to Clo3D. Then let's check out the data. Okay, so update mail. So this version. Okay. Import. Open avatar. Same. Okay. So just wait. Loading. Okay, they say T-pose. Okay, here is Kevin. So if you go to animation, let's check the animation. So look at this. So from here, it's nice transition to the work cycle. Okay, but don't think about the shoes because the subdivision and some we can a little bit modify in the Blender. So this is my way how to make how to make very high quality character. Okay, so this is my way, but I will keep improve my process. So I will keep share the process with you guys, and then also from next tutorial also I will share the how to make the garment in Clo3D. And then also if you go to my Instagram, then you can check my many the work like the design, the Clo3D. I'm not designer. I'm not actually the fashion designer. I'm different designer, but I try to keep learning how to make a nice 2D pattern and how to make a better garment. Also for the simulation also is required a lot of test. So that that kind of all the learning, I'm really interesting and really happy to learn more. So I will keep sharing you guys from now to, I don't know if I have a time. I'm very busy for other work, but I will keep spend my time to run Clo3D and Blender. So also I will keep share you guys my progress. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.